So on the 15-minute, we're closing below this level. So let's see here. Closing below here. Probably gotta close below here in order to fill up till here. So I already filled that range basically. So anything after that is up till around here-ish. So let's see how this top wick is. Then based on that, maybe we can get something here. Yeah, so it didn't close below on either, so I'm not gonna enter anything here. Yeah, we missed the sell stop on news, unfortunately. I really didn't want to be a part of that, but missed out, so. Yeah, I just gotta stay patient now and just wait for a different opportunity. Mm, yeah, so let me mark this out in a 30-minute. Yeah, anything below here, and then here, and then up till probably, I wanna say, here. So yeah, we do have some good ranges to work with. It's just the fact of closing below them. Probably want to see either closure in here or below here. That's about it. And then for buys will probably be above this candle. There's a level here, and then there's another level here. Yeah, so anything in this is like for sure like no trade range, because this is just like what even is this? You can't even trade this because it's just so many like here, here, here. This is like a whole like trap right here. This whole thing. So yeah, we're gonna avoid that at all costs. All right, let's do it on. We did the analysis on Dow Jones, so let's go to MNQ. Move all this. So yeah, so let's go from the weekly. Weekly tapped into that zone that I was talking about around here. So now basically you get to see if we're gonna close below or close above this level. That's gonna be very important. Daily's going down to the same rejection point. literally a support right here, so I don't want to wait to see some type of confirmation. And then 4 hour, same thing. If we close below here, then we can continue pushing down. This would be the level, I think, and then it'll go down till here-ish, I would say, which is about almost 200 ticks. 1 hour. I don't trade off the 1 hour, so just gonna completely ignore that. So let's see. There's a support here. And then let's look at the next levels. There's a level here. And another level here. And if you close below those two, then we can come down till here. And if you close below that, then here. And then anything below that, 18,479 is, we have a clean range up till here. So yeah, it really just depends on how we close. Yeah. We could reject heavily too, like start to see some bullish closures like this one. Anything above here would be good for buys. And then above here would be clean range. But yeah, I think I wanted to get into sell stops this morning, but we missed that. So that was unfortunate. But yeah, it's all good. Yeah, so yeah, we close below here. Then if we see the 30-minute here, yeah, start to close back above this level. We'll have a strong rejection, and then anything above here will be the buys. So that'll be the flip side of this. But the thing is that we've been so bearish that we don't know necessarily what's gonna happen. I've just had the huge bias towards sells today just because of how much we moved off yesterday, but we have no top wick on the current daily, which could play a factor as well. And then 4 hours coming into this rejection area, 1-2 touches, and now a third touch, kind of rejecting off of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. But if we close below here, we do have a clean range. Let's make sure it's clean. Yeah, we do have a clean range up till here. So if we close below there, I might get into some sells if we close below, but I'm not sure yet. if they're making close below here, then it's a good opportunity to get into sells. Otherwise, probably not. So for buys, yeah, probably above here we'll look for buys. Anything into here, like it could be a clean range, but I'd rather just wait for something above here and then here, and then we'll we have some good buys here up till there too, from here to here, which is about like 70 pips, 70 ticks, and then yeah, then we start getting into like consolidation areas and stuff. So it gets tough here. But yeah, this is a good range too to play. But then anything after that, probably gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to close above there. So yeah, we have everything marked out how we like it, but we just gotta wait. We're gonna get into sells here for this position, and then let me check the 15 here. Yeah, that's tough, but let's check 15 here. Yeah, we're gonna get into sells here on the break of this current candle low. Let's see here. I mean, yeah, this one. Yeah, as soon as we flip here, that'll be the trade. Let's see. $58. So okay, yeah, we're gonna have 10 contracts here. That'll be a little bit more logical. But yeah, that's basically this position that we're gonna get into. It's probably gonna get activated soon. Let me move this up a little bit.
Order filled.
We got activated on one account. Maybe I might have placed this a little bit too high, but if you guys aren't in yet, but just have it below the current low, that'll be the entry here, just below here. So if you guys aren't in yet, then I would just say, yeah, have it below the current low. You should be activated. But yeah, the basic logic behind the entry is just closure below the range to fill this range. And yeah, that's the whole logic. The only thing I might have tweaked on is just the fact that I just didn't place it on like the break of a low, so there's a slight chance there's no bottom wick created. So I might have just entered a little too early, but I'm not sure yet. We'll have to wait and see. As long as candle can come down and like break this low, I'll just be satisfied because then that means I have a good entry. But as of right now, I might have entered too early. Might have placed it a little bit too high because the candle didn't might have not broken that low. So yeah, right now we're just waiting to see what's gonna happen. I may move this above here, but I'm not sure if that's smart or not. Because I've been testing out 1 minute a lot, and I do like the 1 minute in terms of stop losses. It has definitely respected on 1 minute a lot, which is why I'm even considering like having this being the stop loss now. The only issue with this is just the fact that it's like just risking a little more than I would like to. But let's see. Yeah, I might have just gotten in too early. That's the main issue. Because hold on 1 second, let me just see. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it above there just to be safe. I'll keep it above that 1 minute high, and if it breaks that high, then I'll be out. But let's see. Just to have a safer stop loss, you know. Because if that breaks, then there's more likely a chance that we'll continue to go bullish. But as of right now, there's nothing else I can do besides just watch it right now. So we're in some drawdown. Though I told you guys I got in a little bit too early. I think that's the main issue. I got in way too early. Not way too early, but I should have waited for like the break of this low to get in. Whereas I just moved my sell stop up a little bit. So I should have stayed patient and just actually waited for the flip of the candle. Sometimes it comes down, doesn't flip, and then you're stuck in the trade. Yeah, we may get stopped out here. That's okay. It's all part of the game. So let's see how this goes. Getting closer to 8:15. So I mean, the thing is, there's no bottom wick here, so I would still expect us to come down to make some type of bottom wick. We just don't know when that's gonna happen. But yeah, that's the main thing. Is there's no bottom wick on this candle. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how well this 1 minute works in terms of stop losses, because we still are bearish overall. Um, but yeah, let's see how this.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out. Yeah, stopped out. So yeah, there's that. Unfortunate, but again, not much we can do because yeah, and the thing is, we just never came down to create that bottom wick. That's just very unfortunate, you know. So yeah. So now we're probably just gonna wait here for a little while before we enter again. Probably gonna wait until 8:30, I think, honestly. But yeah, in terms of anything now, I gotta see closure cells below here. Other than that, there's nothing else you can do. Yeah, that was an unfortunate stop out. I gotta export again though. Let's see. Export from here to here. Import trades. That does not log my trade here. Hmm. Let's see. I'd probably do it like this. Import trade. Yeah, any closures above here is indicating a strong buy. And then MNQ, no buys on MNQ yet, but on US 30 we might get a buy if we close above here. Yeah, if we close above there, then we might get a buy. So just look out for that. We might, if we close above here, we'll get some buys in. But as of right now, I'm just gonna stay out. Just gonna stay out for right now. So I want to stay patient and just wait for my proper setup. We gotta wait for the next 30 minutes. We're gonna probably wait two more for 2 minute candle closures to enter because 8:30 is gonna bring a lot of volume, and it'll probably help us a direction too. For all we know, this could just be some extra liquidity grabbed in order to move back down. So we'll have to wait and see what happens here. Um, but yeah, we got stopped out there. Pretty unfortunate, but what can I do? I think I just entered it incorrectly, man. I should have just waited for this wick to actually be broken rather than just entering off in it. Just like, trying to get in a little bit earlier. Should have just waited for this full thing to be broken, but yeah, that's my fault. Yeah, so I should have waited for this to be broken. But yeah, that's so dumb of me to not wait till this. So like, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. I should have waited for this low to be broken. Unfortunately, I didn't, and it would have saved me if I did. And that's usually what I do is I wait for the previous kind of low to be broken. But the fact that I didn't wait for that, that just goes to show you that the strategy works. It's just the fact that I just miscalculated. But yeah, now moving forward, I'll keep that in mind. So not waiting for the flip, but waiting for the previous candle low break. That's what I'll be waiting for next time. But yeah, that gives me some confidence actually because now I know I'm not doubting myself and my strategy. As long as I see that low being broken, we should continue next time. But I really need to be better about seeing those little details, and I missed that detail there. So yeah, that cost me a lot. It cost me it cost me $800 almost. Not seeing this detail, but yeah, nah, it's a lesson learned though. You gotta add that to the lessons learned register and move on and keep updating the plan. So I'm gonna journal this trade right now. If we end up closing back below this range, I might enter to retest the low, but we'll see how it happens. If we need to close below this range here. Well, that's the issue is that the 15 minute, 30 minute would still be overall bullish. So I think it would probably be better just to wait. Just to wait and get direction. Hey man, I'm still happy and positive, even though we took that loss. Because this game is it's a fun game, man. If without the potential for losses, how are we gonna? Why would this game even be fun, right? And then dead ass is a game, you know. It's just it's literally just what you make of it, and I find this whole game to be fun. All the whole industry of trading, this whole thing is just fun to me, you know. So despite the fact of how we closed and how we lost that trade, it's all good. Without the opportunity for the loss, we wouldn't have the opportunity for the win. So we just gotta keep it pushing. We're gonna get another trade here more than likely. Like we always got 2 to 3 trades a day. Yesterday we got 3 trades. Okay. We might get entries here, so just be ready. As soon as we close below on MYM or MNQ, we're gonna be entering. So yeah, 9 more minutes, and then we'll see what happens. MNQ's coming up. We came back down, so that would be a good indication that we grabbed liquidity here. And I think if we close above here now, I think that would be enough confirmation for me to enter because we came back down, broke all the lows, and if we still come back up and close above, then that'd be a good entry for buys. So if we come up here and close in here, then I might look for buys on MNQ. Otherwise, I'm looking for sells right now on Dow Jones. That's the main thing I'm looking at. Hopefully we can close below 39972, and that'll be my entry. Anything below 39972 would be a good entry for sells. Yeah, so if we can either close below here or here, then I'll be getting into sells for sure. MNQ's coming up here, but we're coming to the middle of the range. So I want to see us close above 18751 on MNQ, and if we close above there, then we can get some buys going up. But as of right now, I'm just gonna stay out still. We got 5 more minutes for a candle closure, so we'll see how this goes. Yo, what's good, Parth? What up, Parth? How you doing? You got one more minute for a closure here. So let's see. If this doesn't close below here, then that's not that. I'm done. Like on this one, I'm waiting for the 9 a.m. Then. Yeah, it looks like I'm waiting. Gonna be waiting for 9 a.m. then, because this is not closing below. And MNQ is like a little bit weird right now as well. It's like closing above the previous resistance level. Oh wait, nah, it's not even not doing that. Let's see how it closes. Okay, coming down here. If we can potentially close bearish on here, this may be indication that I can get into some sells here. We're only 2 minutes into the candle though, so we got a long ways to go. focused on US 30 because that seems to be the one that's gonna give us our entry. But hopefully it doesn't push too hard right now. It always pushes pretty hard, which is why I'm kind of worried about it. But let's see here. I'll be right back as well. I need to grab something really quickly. Yeah, so mainly focused on US 30 right now. Um, Hopefully gives us the entries that we want below here, this level. Once you close below here, we have a clean range, I'm pretty sure. I just want to make sure again that it's clean. Yeah, it's pretty clean, basically. I mean, probably start to secure around here, and then I'm just gonna mark this up too as just like a potential like profit taking area, but we could blow by that as well. That's still over 100 pip range, so I'm still looking forward to that if we can come down. Trying to long this 66. Which pair, Parth? I don't know if you're still on here or not, but which pair are you talking about? Yeah, if we close above here on US 30, then I'll enter buys, I think. Because this would be a range. This would be like the thing I'd be looking for. Resistance formed, and then we're breaking above it, which indicates bullish volume. So yeah. So yeah, we got about 7 more minutes. So yeah, we have probably a potential trade coming up here. Let's get the 4 hour. It just really depends on how this 4 hour is gonna close here. If it closes below here, then yeah, and that just means that we're probably gonna fill the range on the next candle, next 4 hour candle. What a rejection there. We'd want to see the closure below here if you want to enter sells. That's the main thing. So yeah, closures below here. That's the main thing we're looking for. Or preferably here though, because it's a much cleaner range below here. But if we do close below here, then I'll still enter regardless, as long as we get a decent top wick. That's the main thing. But yeah, price is moving very very heavily. Yeah, so coming down here, I'm in Q. We might close below on the 30 minute. If we get that closure, then we'll have entries for sure. So yeah, as soon as we close below here, we'll be in.
Should I put your clothes on the bathroom floor in the wiper?
Don't. You can just keep it in there because it's a pajama shirt.
Okay. How about the clothes you put on the floor in the bathroom?
Just put it.
Should I put it in the hamper?
Sure.
You don't have to be rude. Okay. You can get it yourself.
Sell stuff on MNQ.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wait, what the hell? Why did I get stopped out there? Oh man. Let's manage it. So I'm in this trade on the other account. I'm probably gonna re-enter here. If this breaks the current candle low. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, well that trade hit. That was fucking retarded, bro. So that trade hit, if you guys were on the stream. Uh, so yeah, now I'm looking at MNQ. That was that was a good clean trade. Yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't really call it out. I was just so like locked in that I couldn't call it out. But I mean, you saw the execution on screen if you were there. If you were here, you saw the execution. So if anyone was here and caught that, just let me know. But yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't call it out. But if you were here on stream, then you saw it and you should have gotten in on that. So let's see. We had a couple. We got some trades coming again here. On the week, I want to see what happened on the week now. Yeah, so we're up 700 on the week. Because still one more trade that I have to mark in here. Man, that pissed me off a lot. So yeah, let's see what happens here. We still have another chance for an entry. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see how these things close. Based on that, we can either get in or stay out. But both on NQ and on US 30, we have potential entries coming. So just stay patient. We might be able to enter another trade here. Hopefully, this doesn't push too hard without us. It's pushing so hard right now. Fortunately. One more minute. We need to have a bottom wick here, I think. Close with no bottom wick on both of these, then that's chopped. So let's see. This closed way too deep, unfortunately. What a freaking push, man. I'm gonna have a sell stop here on MNQ. Alright. There might not be enough range here. Yo, can you guys hear me? Are you guys able to hear me? Yeah, what a crazy push. That's the only reason why I didn't enter. Um, let's see. I have to go on mute here for a second. So just gonna mute for a little bit. I have to join a meeting, so I'll just come back right after. But yeah, I gotta mute for a second. So yeah, in terms of risk, I would risk about 250 per trade, which is about 0.5%, which is about 0.5% of my account uh, balance. About my account balance of about 50K. The only reason why for that is just because of the simple fact that I don't want to lose this account at all. Just trying to keep it risk free. So yeah, I would say just I only risk for 250 per trade, or try to at least. I mean, today we messed up on that. We moved stops a little bit, but that was only because we saw like a different range that we thought would be a little bit better. And yeah, that's fine. But yeah, we could have gotten in on the break of these lows, but the only thing was there was a level there that I was worried about, but we filled the range, so. But yeah, 7 more minutes. If we close below here, I'm gonna get in another sell. As long as we close below here on the 30 minute. Kurt, let me know if that's a good answer to your question. Yeah, I risk about 250 per trade, half a percent on a funded account, because it's less room for error. But yeah, let's see here. I mean, I really did want to get in there, but I just, man, because the thing is that if you look here, it's a consolidation level that we could have potentially rejected off of. So that's the main reason why I didn't enter. Otherwise, I would have entered on that. But no, there's too much rejection here for my comfortability. But next, I'm just gonna look for sells below there. I think, um, yeah, I just want to see something. We have moved a lot, unfortunately, down, but I don't know. It's such a clean range below here that I'm expecting us to fill at least some of it, Even if we don't get all of the range, I want some of that. In terms of 30 minutes, we one, two, and then the next one will be the third 30-minute moving down. So in terms of 30 minutes, it's not bad. But yeah, let's see here. If you can close below here, then I'll get into sells. So let's see. Yeah, bro. I mean, even though I win like 65% of my trades, and even though I win 65% of my trades, I still wouldn't want to risk too much. But yeah, this is melting, absolutely melting here. Man, this is melting so crazy. So, yeah, I can't do anything here right now. We got 5 more minutes left. If we don't close below here, then that's it. Yeah, thanks, John. Yesterday I worked on the the release presentation. Got started on that. Built out the query. So if you guys can just approve those stories that are in there, most of them are closed, but there are a couple active ones. So if you guys need anything else in there, just let me know. I can add that into the slides. Besides that, for today, just gonna finish up those slides, and then summer hours, and then I'm not sure who's left. 3 more minutes for a closure. 3 more minutes for a
Okay.
closure.
In terms of on my end, I think all of you are aware at this point, but if you're not, I think the release, correct me if I'm wrong, is still going on Monday. At least there were some questions that came up during yesterday's change control, but I think at least is what it sounds like. George, correct me if I'm wrong, that the plan is to still go on Monday. Is that
Alan just put a note out that yes, they're gonna open up an expedited for Monday.
okay? That's what I thought. All right, so just want to let everyone know. I think we'll continue as planned unless you hear differently.
Let's
But
see.
yeah, just wanted to
3 more minutes
confirm that.
here.
Otherwise, it is Friday. I do have my technology scrum and scrum. So if there's anything that you're working on that maybe you need to have escalated, or maybe it's
Let's
something that's
see. 2 more minutes.
impacted that you think a broader audience or leadership needs to be aware of, let me know. I tried to hear something on your update. I didn't hear anything, but if I missed it, definitely let me know, and I can make sure I jot it down and
Yeah,
speak
okay.
on your behalf.
Hopefully we can
Otherwise,
get
I
below
think
there.
that is pretty much it for me. Any other comments, questions
1 more minute.
before we get into the parking lot? Don't see anything. Let me check the chat really quick. Oh, that's not okay. All right. If nothing else, then thank you all. Asli, did you need anyone in particular to stay on?
Yes, George, Mohammed, John, Radhika, and Theo.
Okay. Those that if you heard your name, please stay on the call. Everyone else, you're welcome to listen in. Otherwise, if you need to drop off for another meeting, you're more than welcome to. Otherwise,
Okay. Alright, gonna have my trades ready here. Gonna have a sell stop here as soon as we close. 30 seconds. If we close below there, we're having that sell stop ready to go. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. Gonna place it. Sell stop placed.
Order filled.
Stop loss will be above there. So yeah, that's the trade here basically. As soon as we close below. We just needed. We should have waited for the top wick first, but it's all good. We're in here. And yeah, we're gonna see how this plays out. As soon as we re-break the lows, then we should be good. But let's see. Let's see. Moving down. As soon as we re-break the lows, we should be good. So that's the main thing. We just gotta re-break the lows, and then we'll be good. Let's see. We might get stopped out because we got in too early. That's my fault for getting in too early. But yeah, that's why you gotta wait for the top wick first. I should have done that. I got anxious to enter, so that's my fault. That's why I'm in drawdown. So yeah, that's my fault for entering too early. But if we break the lows, then we'll be good regardless. We're still have this. This will be the same entry regardless. So that's what we're looking for here. As soon as we re-break these lows, we'll be good. You just need to re-break them. We're flipping bearish again. I just want, yeah, if we re-break these lows, then we can have like a good, this would be a great position. Just re-break the lows and then we'll be fine. There we go, got the push. We're almost re-breaking. Almost re-broke there, I think. We closed below on the 1 minute. So yeah, more than likely we're gonna re-break now for sure. There we go. Almost. Almost, there we go. Just re-broke the lows. So we're in here. We would have been in this trade anyways, so we rebroke the lows, and now we should see a push all the way down to 39647. We have a clean range, and if we get stopped out, we get stopped out, but we have a clean range, so I want to at least get some of that range, you know. In profits. Up 120, 135, 150, 150, 180. We were up 200 at one point. Stop loss is gonna go above the current candle high. We're gonna hold this trade for longer because that's what I've been noticing is I don't hold long enough. So I'm gonna hold this a little bit longer this time around. Especially because of the range that we have. Up 200, 210. 225. 240. 260. 180. 195. Come on, we need that bottom. Come on, drop here. 1 minute needs to drop. Yeah, come on, drop. There we go. Drop. Okay, that's fine. $180. Let's see. Let's see. Coming back up here. I want to see this drop right here. Let's go. Drop. There we go. Should see a push here now. I might close some off pretty soon in case. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Drop more. Come on, let's go.
Order
Closing some
filled.
position there. Stop loss to break even. Closing out that. Pushing here more. If you get stopped out here break even, I'm fine with that.
Order
Closing
filled.
one more. We got 2 contracts open still. Now just gonna let's do this run. Let's see. We're just gonna let this run to TP, man. We're just gonna trail the stops below this 15-minute. If this rebreaks its low, we're gonna trail the stop above this current high. It all just depends on how it goes. Yeah, stops at break even though. It's risk-free trade. Amazing trade. Great hold. Yeah, I can't ask for much more than that. Let's see if you can re-break the lows on the 15-minute, then we're gonna show the stops above that candle. Let's see how it goes. 1 minute's rejecting. Loves this range here on the 1 minute. That's for sure. Yeah, NQ is just consolidating at this point. I don't see anything on NQ that I like at all. If this breaks so low, then I'm gonna trail the stop. But it's not really like it's slowly trailing as much as I can, I guess. So yeah, I want to see this drop. Once it re-breaks this low, we're gonna continue down. Probably gonna fill the rest of the range, but it has to break this low first. Didn't break it yet. Now we're trying to break it. Breaking that low.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Okay, well, I mean, up $40 on this account. On my other account, I'm up like 110, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we're already up $800 on the week, right? So I mean, and this plus these trades didn't even register. So I'm probably up actually about like almost over a grand if I can update my trades properly. Let's see if I can do the broker sync again. I can't resync right now, so yeah. But yeah, I mean, that's it for today, man. I mean, we fucking hell. Those we lost like a couple of trades just based on some retarded entries and stuff, but we still made money today overall. That's the main thing, right? Made probably about I think all in all today probably made like $200 I think total. Once I update my TradeZilla dashboard, I can post it on my IG. But yeah, let's see if I can upload from here. Export from there to there, from here to here. Export. Go to here. Top Step X. Downloads. Let's see. Yep. So on the week we're at $1,200 profit, and then and what we won 8 days in a row, and what's it called? I still need to update my TradeAvate account, so I think this week we're gonna be up about like almost $1,400 on the week. That's literally we're up 3% in a week. Like Tell me someone who's up 3% in a week. People aim for 3% in a quarter. You know, we got that in a week. Not even a quarter, man. People aim for 3% for half a year. The S&P gives like 7% a year. We got 3% in a week. Yeah, and let's do the monthly recap. The month we made about 9% in the month. We only lost 6 days and we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We went 16-6 in the week. In the month, I mean, 73% day win percentage, 63% in terms of trade win percentage. I'm extremely happy with how we've been performing. And now, obviously, of course, it flips now, right? But it's all good. And yeah, that's it, man. Like, I'm pretty happy with our results. So yeah, great overall day, man. Great overall day. I mean, we didn't make as much as we wanted to, but the thing is, sometimes you just gotta be grateful for what you got, you know. And I'm grateful for what I got because I was down. I was down already today. I was down like a couple $100, and we came back and we were able to flip positive and still make like 0.5% today. So I'm happy with our results, man. Follow me on IG if you haven't already. Trying to run it up over there. My last two reels got like 1,000 views each. So yeah, man. Yeah, but this thing went to our TP. So yeah, but I mean, look. So we just got this account this week. We got this account on Wednesday, right? Or we passed this account on Wednesday. We got it yesterday. We're already up $561. And on my other account, we made about, yeah, like almost $700. So yeah, man. I'm happy. Happy with the results that we achieved. We're just gonna keep getting better too, you know. I just wish I could risk more, man. Like I don't want to keep like 250 is too little. Look at the way this thing moves, though, man. Like when Dow Jones pushes, it literally freaking pushes, man. Like this shit just pushed down after like. I think the best entry, honestly, would have been on the break of this low. So this is what Raja Bank talks about. Is once there's like a candle, bearish candle formed, like especially on the 30 minute, like this, you usually just anticipate it to continue pushing, especially on a bearish day. But it already dropped like 400 points today, which is insane. If it closes below there, then we have a range till here. Just about another 70 pip range. But yeah, I don't know if I want to enter again, man. Yeah, we would have smacked TP. Yeah, man. Great day. Great day overall. We pushed like crazy too. Yeah. Um, the only thing is if we close below here, we would push, but I don't know if I want to get in another trade again. Yeah, that's it. They didn't close below. So yeah. That's that. I think we're done for the day. I really just want to link up my account though. So I can show you guys like how much we actually made this week. But it says 20 more minutes for me to be able to do that. So yeah, I gotta wait 20 more minutes for this to update. But yeah, um, yeah. So today we made 170 basically. We made 170. And on that trade we made, it doesn't show me how much did I made on that trade. Yeah, it made at least 220 though, I think. I think we closed out like 220. So I think we closed that trade at 220. So in the week, if you add 220 to our already 1,200, yeah, we made about $1,400 on the week, which is yeah 3% of our accounts. Yeah, we're on an 8-day winning streak. 8-day winning streak. I mean, come on, man, like 8-day winning streak. Not much else you can ask for. So yeah, now the only thing I would look for now is around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I want to see some type of range formed, and once a range is formed, and we start to break below again, then that's when I'll look to enter like a different like more sells, because buys would be way too tough today I think. Because I mean, how are we gotta retrace all this entire move by 1 p.m. That's not gonna happen. We might come up till like around here-ish to retest, but yeah, none of I don't think that's gonna happen, man. All these things broke so easily, all these previous ranges, like there's not much left. So yeah, I want to see some type of retracement come up to like here or here, and then like once we see the closures below again later today, then we can enter in terms of MNQ. We have a support there. Oh wait. MNQ, there could be a potential position here. Because this is a clean range right here. Should we get into one more sell here? Same thing, and then this. Same thing. Perfect retest, breakdown structure. That's what you wanna see. You know, could have gotten in here, and then I think stop loss would have been above here. So let's just say you got in like right here, right? On this area. That's way too big. Yeah, I'm just looking at different strategies of potentially implementing, or different ways of implementing a new strategy. But yeah, I'm cool with what we got going on. And I mean, this could potentially fill this range. It's a clean range to the bottom. But I mean, we already had a successful day today, so at this point, we're just getting greedy, you know? Let's just say we close below here, right? Close below here. Yeah, we got such clean ranges. Yeah, so next week I'm looking to be eligible for payouts. So after next week, you know, we're gonna see where we take our funded account. We're gonna be eligible for payouts on our other account. But yeah, let's see here. If we close below on the 15, that would be a good indication to continue down. We'll wait 8 more minutes. 5 more minutes here. It's looking like we're not gonna close below here. But we did make enough money today. I'm satisfied with what I got. Yeah, Sean, I don't think. Yeah, this ain't gonna close below, man. And if it closes above, I'm done for the day. Yeah, Sean, this 15 ain't closing below, G. Um. So yeah. Like this shit's crazy. Like how far this thing pushes, bro. Like this thing pushes without closures like crazy. That's the craziest part about US 30. Like without closures below ranges, it still breaks ranges. Especially the last 2 days. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's because of the unemployment stuff that came out, but I think one thing that I've noticed is on high news days, it's just gonna break through things. So I think I had something to take down. In terms of notes, right? So let's see what other news we had this week or yesterday. So yesterday we had all this news, right? From 8:15 to bro, what the fucking yesterday? Okay. So yesterday we had all this news, right? Sean, you're goofy, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some notes here to track because these types of news events are just causing price to move without really creating any top wick or anything like that. So I'm gonna take some notes here. Delete that real quick. What was the news event? It was unemployment claims. Gold is dropping. I mean, I don't trade gold, man, but I can take a look at it. Sheesh. Yeah. Entry on gold would have been right here. This would have been the entry on gold. So if you didn't get in already, you missed out. As soon as this low broke, could have gotten about 70 pips almost. But yeah, if you held it, then you could have gotten over 100. But yeah, no, that's not my. I hate gold. I hate trading gold. So I will never trade gold again. Mm, yeah, I used to be a gold trader, but not anymore. So yeah, leave that. And let's tune in. See if we can reload our thing, our dashboard, just so I can get an update on stream. 5 more minutes, come on. But yeah, M&Q closed bullish. More than likely gonna continue closing bullish. Yeah, I'm looking at NAS right now, bro. There's nothing. There's literally nothing to do here. Closes below what, man? I mean, the thing is, if even if it closes below, like it already moved so much already. There's 1, 2, 3 bearish candles already. If it closes again bearish below this thing, below this range, that's the fourth candle in a row. You want to look at the 15, 1, 2, and then consolidated. If you close below here on the 15, I would say that's a potential area for position, but it's already moved so much, which is the biggest issue here. Only reason I'm staying on is because I want to update on stream my record. We got legs today, y'all. Fucking worst day, but you gotta hit legs, man. Especially if you got shin splints like me. Sean, if I was you, if you're gonna continue trading on this day, come back at one or two, and then let it consolidate for a bit, and then come back, and then look for closures. Because we just need some time to let price recover from the moves that it's made today. But yeah, this thing dropped like crazy. Well, how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, man, leg day is a tough day, man. Unfortunately. Oh, that bogus ass booty. Yeah, M&Q is pushed way. I mean, MYM is pushed way too much to enter. If we get closure below here, then we'll be straight. But other than that, nothing else. Okay, so now let's update. Let's update this. Resync. I don't get it because it should have resynced our trades. For some reason, it didn't sync up. Okay, let's see. On the week, how much we made. On the week, we made $1,200, so that's pretty good. Almost, yeah, almost 3% on the week, which is really good. Trade win percentage wasn't that good this week, which is unfortunate, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here.